मैनकाइंड, ये नाम सुनते ही हमें एक ही प्रोडक्ट आंखों के सामने आता है और मे बी एक एड आंखों के सामने आती है जो लगते ही हमारे पापा चैनल इमीडिएटली चेंज कर देते थे। बट डू यू नो दैट the sexual healthcare products form only 10% of mankind's total revenue, but they advertise those products only because the laws in India don't allow you to advertise the other medicinal products which form 90% of the revenue. ये हमारी बॉडी है ना, इसको ट्रीट करने वाले प्रोडक्ट्स, the government doesn't allow us or the pharma companies to advertise these things. So ये हमारे Mankind Pharma का हुआ है IPO, which the retailers have kind of turned their back to, क्योंकि उतना रिस्पॉन्स नहीं मिला जितना कंपनी एक्सपेक्ट कर रही थी. So brief background about this company is that it was formed by the promoters who are the Juneja brothers. They were medical sales representatives in the 1990s, and from there, in the 1991, they formed this company called Mankind Pharma. Like quite an inspiring story about these promoters, कि from medical reps या MR से लेके इतना बड़ा फार्मा कंपनी ऑपरेट करना या फॉर्म करना बड़ी बात होती है यार. This company is the fourth largest company by domestic sales as on date, and the domestic sales constitute 97% of their total revenue. In 2006, the company's sales were only 350 crores, from where they started marketing aggressively the company's products. After which, as on date, the company's revenue is 7,257 crore, and these are audited figures, so इसमें कोई change नहीं होने वाला बाद में. So ये जो growth है, ये देख के मैंने कहा कि hats off to Juneja brothers.
वो सब ठीक है, बट अभी IPO की बात क्या न्यूज़ है?
हाँ, तो अभी न्यूज़ ये है that as per the schedule uploaded on the SEBI website, the share allotment will take place on the 3rd of May. जिनको shares नहीं मिले हैं, उनके लिए the refund will be initiated on the 4th of May, and the actual share transfer will take place on the 8th of May, and finally the listing will happen on the 9th of May 2023. सबके मन में ये सवाल तो होता होगा अभी कि लिस्टिंग पे शेयर सब्सक्राइब करे ना करे, क्या करे. तो well, you have to consider a few points before going ahead with your decision. So this company has jumped from the 8th biggest pharma company in financial year 2012 to the 4th biggest company in financial year 2022. 12.7% products in Mankind are under the price control category of the government. So I would say the price of these products is in government's hands. Further, the company's 97% domestic share, कि मतलब exports तो as good as nothing है, is also a point to be checked out. And above all, the grey market premium that the company is not able to attract. IPO के पहले भी नहीं, और even after the IPO, it is not able to attract a good grey market premium. So we'll now have to check that how these shares are listed at a premium or at a discount. So people, please don't forget to conduct your own thorough research before taking any kind of decision, because this is not an investment advice and you should be aware where you are investing your money into. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also watch the other videos on our channel which I have linked up right here for your convenience. For today, this was it. Thank you so much. Bye bye and sayonara.